and welcome to our fast-track tour of the news headlines from around the aerospace and defence industry across the MEASA region. Newsround is brought to you with the support of the World Defence Show, which takes place in Riyadh from the 6th until the 9th of March. The USA has given a clear indicator of its support for the United Arab Emirates security, with the arrival of 6 F-22 Raptors in Abu Dhabi as part of the UAE's defence against missile attacks by Houthi rebels in Yemen. The US Navy also sent the guided missile destroyer USS Cole to partner with the UAE Navy by providing early warning intelligence and to collaborate on air defence. Tata Sons last week appointed Ilker Aysi as the new CEO and MD of Air India. Aysi is the former chairman of Turkish Airlines. Jazeera Airways has ordered 28 Airbus aircraft, including 20 A320neos and 8 321neos. This comes as the airline also announced a net profit of $23 million for the year of 2021. Etihad Airways has signed a letter of intent to buy 7 A350 freighters to add to its existing fleet of 5 A350-1000 passenger versions. The announcement was made at the Singapore Air Show this week. The African Airlines Association and the African Civil Aviation Commission have signed an MOU to jointly work on various areas, including aviation safety and technology advancement. India's Indigo airline has chosen Nav Blue to upgrade some of its latest A320 aircraft to the most advanced navigation technology. This is known as the RMP-AR, which enables Indigo pilots to navigate challenging airspaces with greater precision. Egypt Air Training Academy has successfully renewed the approval of MEASA aircraft maintenance technical training. And of course, watch out this week with more maintenance news as MRO Middle East, co-located with Aircraft Interiors Middle East, takes place at Dubai's World Trade Center on Tuesday the 22nd and 23rd. We will be producing daily video programs from those shows, so watch out on our YouTube channel or our Times Aerospace website. And finally, Etihad Airways has partnered with Warner Brothers World Abu Dhabi. This is to launch a family-friendly experience on board its fleet. Etihad's new Little VIP campaign offers younger travellers a range of Warner Brothers gifts designed to promote the indoor theme park on Yas Island. Well, that's it from me, so until next week, goodbye.